I am Mohanlal Pereira from Study Guide. Today I am going to discuss about bar values. Bar values are negative values of logarithms. The logarithm can be considered as the index. If x is a to the power y, then log x base a is y. So we can see that logarithm of a number is the index raised to the base given. Now we go into log tables. In log tables we have logarithm values from 1 to 9.999 and it is in base 10. Now we know LG1 is 0 as well as LG10 is 1. LG is the shortened form for log base 10. Therefore, the log table has values from 0 to 1 and these values are positive decimals. Characteristic of a logarithm of a value greater than 1. We know any number could be expressed in the standard form. That is, 23.32 is 2.332 into 10 to the power 1. Therefore, log of 23.32 is going to be 1.3678. Now 233.2 is going to be 2.332 into 10 to the power 2. Therefore, log of 233.2 is going to be 2.3678. The whole number part of an logarithm is the index of the standard form. The decimal part is read from the log table. Now we can see that both decimal values are 3678. So we just read the log table, that is main column 23, sub value 3 and mean difference 2. When you add all these things, we get 3678. This 1 and 2 are characteristics which are the index of the standard form. The decimal value is always read from the log table. So we can take the characteristic of a logarithm of values greater than 1 is 1 less than the whole number digits of the value. If you take the first example, there are 2 whole number digits. So the characteristic is 1. In the second example, there are 3 whole number digits. So the characteristic is 2. So this is the shortened form or shortened method to find the characteristic. Characteristic of a logarithm less than 1. Any number between 0 and 1 also could be expressed in the standard form. 0.2332 is 2.332 into 10 to the power minus 1. So the logarithm of 0.2332 is going to be bar 1 3678. 0.0332 can be written as 2.332 into 10 to the power minus 2. So the logarithm of 0.02332 is going to be equal to bar 2 3678. Now we can see the decimal part is read same whether it is a negative index or a positive index. So this decimal part is always positive, but only the index becomes plus or minus. So the index in the standard form in this case is negative. But the number which we read from the log table is positive. So we can't write this logarithm as minus 1 3678. If you write like that, the whole number is negative. So what we have to realize here is only the bar value is negative, but the decimal value is positive. The characteristic in this case, that is a logarithm of a value between 0 and 1, is the total number of leading zeros. See, in the first one we have one leading zero, so it is bar 1. In the second one we have two leading zeros, so the characteristic is bar 2. So whatever the number, we take only the decimal part from the log table. The whole number part, which is known as the characteristic, should be written using these rules or using the standard form. Arithmetic of bar values. In bar values, the whole number is negative and the decimal part is positive. This concept is very important and it has to be used when we handle bar values. Examples. First one. Bar 1.3469 plus bar 2.1107. Now we add decimals first. 9 plus 7 is 16. You put 6, 1 goes forward. 6 plus 1 is 7. 4 plus 1 is 5. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now we have bar 1 plus bar 2. That is minus 1 plus minus 2, which is minus 3. We write it as bar 3. Then 2.5673 minus bar 1.4661. Now we subtract decimals. 3 minus 1 is 2, 7 minus 6 is 1, 6 minus 6 is 0, 5 minus 4 is 1. Now we have 2 minus bar 1, that is 2 minus minus 1, which is 2 plus 1, this is 3. So our answer is 3.1012. The next one. Bar 1.3469 minus bar 2.1107. 9 minus 7 is 2, 6 minus 0 is 6, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. Now we have bar 1 minus bar 2, that is minus 1 minus minus 2, so it is minus 1 plus 2, which is plus 1. So the answer is 1.2362. The next one. Bar 2.7213 multiplied by 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 7 is 21. We write 1 and there's a 2 carried forward. Bar 2 multiplied 3 by 3 is bar 6. Bar 6 plus 2. That is minus 6 plus 2, which is minus 4. We write it as bar 4. The next one. Bar 1.4693 divided by 3. Now minus 1 cannot be divided by 3, as well as we can't take this decimal 4 and write it as 14 because 1 is minus and decimal 4 is plus. So we make this minus 1 or else bar 1 as bar 3, which is the smallest number which we can divide by 3. So now we have bar 1 plus bar 2, that is minus 1 plus minus 2. To balance it off, we have to add a plus 2. So it becomes bar 3 plus 2.4693. Bar 3 divided by 3 is bar 1. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So our answer is bar 1, 8, 2, 3, 1. Now the next one. Bar 6.3845 divided by 5. Again minus 6 cannot be divided by 5, so we make it minus 10. That is bar 10. So we have to add a minus 4 to balance off. The decimal number becomes 4.3485. 5. So now we divide this by 5. So we have bar 10 divided by 5, that is bar 2. 43 divided by 5, 8, 3 remains. 38 divided by 5 is 7, 3 remains. 34 divided by 5 is 6, 4 remains. 45 divided by 5 is 9. So our answer is 2.8769. Thanking you. This is another video brought to you by Study Guide. At Study Guide, we are devoted to making your education environment interesting.